How to add multiple shipping options in Shopify. To show you this, I've opened my startup page here, and I'm just going to go to the bottom left where it says settings. After I click on that, I want to go to shipping and delivery here on the left. And once I click on that, I want to go to the first window and down here where it says create new profile. And this will take me to this create shipping profile page. Now here I can write the profile name of my products. For example, this is named Fragile Products. Down here where it says products, I can add ones from my catalog, like this one. If I scroll down, you can see the shipping zones. We can add them from here. You just click on create zone. And maybe you want to add Australia, Austria, and so on. You can also type in a specific country here, like United States, for example, like this. You just name it something like that. Okay, you can add your rates down here, maybe something like $10. And you just add a name to it and you click on done. After you're done with your changes, you just click on save down here and it will save the changes for you. And that's how you add multiple shipping options in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.